Hey, what up, decisive marketers? Today we're going to be talking about RangeFlow. It's been a while since we talked about a cold email marketing tool, and I'm glad we have a chance to talk about RangeFlow, right? Because this is quite a unique tool. It's actually a Google Workspace add-on, right? And it connects with your Google Sheets as well as your Gmail account. And with RangeFlow, you can set up automated email sequences as well as having pipelines so that you can manage how these leads are being added into your Google Sheets and how they are moving along in your sales process. Now, before I dive into RangeFlow, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content, right? So here we go. So here we are in RangeFlow. Well, I'm technically not in RangeFlow just yet, right? So RangeFlow, you pretty much all you need to do is, of course, sign up an account with them, then go into Google Workspace and install the RangeFlow Google Sheets, Google Workspace add-on, right? So it works with Google Sheets and with Gmail right here. So in the meantime, I'm going to open up my Gmail right here. So what you need to do is, open up a new Google Sheets, go to extension, and you should see RangeFlow, which you have installed, right? And then they will just ask you to connect to RangeFlow. Once you've connected, and these are the menus that you'll be seeing. Okay, so over here, you want to kind of go into pipelines first, I guess. Okay, so it's opening up the pipelines. Okay, so you can see RangeFlow is being installed right here. Okay, so we just gotta authorize RangeFlow to look at the emails that we have. Okay, right, so then it will then be able to make use of RangeFlow to send out your follow-up emails. Okay, let me just kind of refresh this right here. I think it should be connected, so maybe let's just kind of close this. Okay, so it says all in there. Okay, so what happens is you just got to create a pipeline, which I've already done. So this is what's gonna happen, right? So you got your stages of your deals. So you by default you have 3 right here. You got new, completed, and in progress. Then you can look at your fields, like the custom fields that you want to be collecting, which will be in the RangeFlow anyway. Then segments, right? So segments will be your emails that you'll be sort of sending out. Okay, so the first one, this is the email that you can have, right? And then when are you going to be sending out these emails? Okay, and then you can add follow-up emails as well, right? So after the first email goes out, then you can have the second email open or not open, or after you send an email, okay, then you can send out a second email. Sorry, just kind of close that. So with RangeFlow, they actually connect with a ton of different stuff. Let me just kind of open up their website right here. They've got they do have Zapier, which connect with the rest, but then again, because you're using Google Sheets, it's a lot easier because Google Sheets connects with a lot of different stuff. So yeah, so you can have and then you can invite your team in as well, and then whether you want to edit the pipeline name and stuff like that. Then this is where you connect your emails. So with Gmail, once you connect it, it's automatic But then with RangeFlow, they actually work with different SMTPs. So you can have Twilio, you can have Socket Labs, you can have AWS. I'm not really sure what this is. You can have Microsoft, I think, and Postmark, whatever it is, custom SMTP. That's all in there, right? So you can set up your emails right here. You can set up the email sending frequencies, right? And then you are ready to pretty much send out your email. So all you need to do is just to start filling up the sheet with the name, the email, what kind of segment are they in, right? And then niche, if you want to add that in. You can add more custom fields if you want to. Set that out all up, okay? Then you can pretty much just go in here and then click on send emails, and it will start running on its own. All right, so pretty much that's what RangeFlow does. It's super easy, and I don't actually know how we can expand on talking about it, because it just does cold emailing, and because it works on Google Sheets, so everything is very integrated, right? So you can have Pabbly Connect or whatever it is that connects with Google Sheets, and you can automate your process. Whatever emails comes in, you can have it added to your own CRM if you want to. If you don't want to use RangeFlow, it's all up to you. And they do have a roadmap right here where they do plan to add email warm-up, A/B testing as well, some live notifications, right? And then some email templates directory, some save templates. So those are the stuff that's in there. There's some feature requests, which is adding SMS and calling features, SendSpark, so that is video emails, right? So I guess pretty much that's all that RangeFlow does, right? It's a very simple tool. Google Workspace, you connect in your Google Sheets as well as your Gmail, and then everything just kind of all works as it is, right? So the only thing is it just does cold emailing. But if you love Google Sheets, then you love automating stuff, Google Sheets is always one of the best platform for that. So RangeFlow will be great for that. So I guess that's all I have to share about RangeFlow. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about RangeFlow in the comments below. Lastly, if you know anyone who will benefit from a cold emailing tool, be sure to share this video with them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.